Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fire by rubbing two sticks together. This is from a dead orange tree. This is from live oak, just a branch on the ground. This, the catch. This is also from the same dead orange tree. So you can see I've used this before. This is my hearth board, and this is the drill. Little pinch of sand, drop it in there like that. Get right down on top of it, but if it causes you to sweat, don't hang over top of the area where the coal is going to develop, because you could put it out with just a drop of sweat. This is Florida, so this is only good during the dry time of year. If it's too humid out, you're gonna be working your ass off. The gross part, get a little spit in your hand for some traction. Alright, you don't want to use up all your energy at first. You want to just sort of go into it kind of slow. You want to build up. You want to build up some shavings. You want to build up some sawdust there. And then just with the spinning action over a long period of time, gets it hot anyway. So you don't want to blow out all your energy trying to start a fire within a couple seconds. When you know you got a good rhythm going, bear down a little bit. And the next step is just be patient, keep trying, and breathe. I'm already seeing smoke. That's a good sign. Smoking on its own. Be careful not to step up off your hearth board too quickly. Bounce the coal out and all your work is wasted. You know for sure it's on. Keep smoking. Now there's a bunch of things that can happen when you're trying to transfer it to the fire. You can drop it onto the ground, lose it. But there's no excuse not to have a good fire with a coal like that. That's nice. Smells nice too. But since there's a burn ban going on, it's really dry out, we're not going to make a fire out of this. But it can be done. And that's how you do it. Some dead orange tree, a live oak spindle, and a little catch of your choice. It can be of any material as long as it's not too flammable. As you can see, the longer it sits, it starts to cook in, but whatever. And that's how you do it.